Alright, what's going on? Leif Kramer here, live, YouTube, Twitch, you know the deal. Basically, we're going to get into this, and this is going to be my little tutorial guide on my thought process on how to win a Warzone game doing Recon with some, uh, how do you say, competent teammates. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get in the game, we're going to check the map, we're going to adjust and see where we need to go. As soon as we check this map right here, looks like we're getting a big calls going to Boneyard, and that's gonna be the call. I'm coming in here a couple seconds late, but that's all fine, dandy. Boneyard's the call. We're on the other side of the map near Stadium, so I'm gonna make the call to go for a helicopter down at TV station. Try to get a little boost going. Hopefully, hopefully it pays off. Gotta get a little bit fast down there. You want to start doing these recons fast, especially if you're gonna be going all the way. And I got stolen, so I'm not gonna try to fight. I'm just gonna back out and move on to the next best thing. We got a vehicle that I'm gonna ping down here right below, and we're just gonna hop in this bad boy. Okay, so we hopped down in the car, picked up my teammate because he dropped short as well. Gonna be trying to get to Boneyard ASAP Rocky, skipping around a little bit because there's a lot of gameplay here and I'm trying to condense it. But we got the full map. We're rotating over to Boneyard. So we just finished another recon here at Boneyard. I want to say what we're 1, 2, 3, 4 in right now. Still 2 circles away. Finishing up a scavenger. Got to get all the contracts you can to get extra bonus money for weapons and buying back your team in. Fortunately, we just lost a teammate to these 2 suckers right here. Gang, gang, blah, blah. Pick up a nice 2-piece McDouble. And moving on with our lives back to the scav. Cool, so now we started cooking and we got all of our money, got the team back. Just got a loadout, get your self-revive, get your gas mask, get your kill streak. You know, the normal. And then I'm going to bump over here, grab this recon, because if you're going to do one, you might as well do them all. And all of these were in Boneyard, so all the contracts are going to spawn pretty close to each other. The farther one away, like that one's going to spawn inward, so you're not getting caught in the storm. Basically easier rotation, so we're going to go ahead and jump on this, and we need one more after this to have final circle. Gonna go ahead, finish this up. Let's check the map, see what we're working with here. We need one more circle to finally tell us where we're going. Finally, the final circle we got going here. Checking out the map, always look at your map. I'm pinging this top roof because I think that I got a decent play in mind that I want to use, strategy that I've used a couple times. But you can play this map a lot of different ways. We could move straight into there and just sit inside the building. That's a lot of ways people play recons, or you can push really slowly on the outside. I'm decided to take the team to the outside through airport. We're going to catch this bounty right here so we can figure out where other people are at, because that's a huge thing, is just map information. Huge. Huge. So that bounty contract we picked up is all the way down in Promenade, which is the complete opposite direction we want to go. So we've decided not to engage that guy. A little solo just runs over near us, get some easy claps, and we're going to press on. As we're making our way toward airport, we're going to hit a little quick stop in Storage Town. We're going to cop 3 UAVs for an advanced UAV. Trying to get back on the information, just know where everybody's at. Try to plan our movements accordingly. When I'm checking the map here, notice I got a team in Superstore, got a team in Airport, and we got a couple stragglers behind us, but that's alright. Nobody's really deep in center circle either. So we're going to flank right through this little corridor between that recon and that airport where I'm about to ping, and try to not engage on these two teams from airport or storage town. Unfortunately, we found some stragglers here, and we're about to engage in them. Just got a full kill on one. I'm about to get knocked by this guy. Luckily I have teammates. If you don't know, you can hold down your self-res and just wait for a teammate to pick you up, and it's be a one-tap to pick you up. After we wipe that team, we're going to come upstairs and finish grabbing their loot. I'm going to pick up this war machine, which is going to be crucial for late game and the strategy that I'm going to implement here. And then I'm going to choose to turn around and push this bounty behind me. Try to get all the information we can because we're getting sniped at from across the way. Once I drop down here and grab this bounty, I notice that somebody's below me. And I grab this bounty and it doesn't pop, which means there's somebody either too close to you or there's people too far. So I'm going to hop back up on this roof. My teammates are pinging. There's a guy below me. I'm getting the callouts. Going to put a couple shots down on one, and I'm going to get lasered from my left. Figuring that these guys are got a couple of different angles, I decided to tell the team to back out, and we're going to fight from the hangars now. Dropping down to the hangars right now is going to be our best play because we can still make our left side flank. I caught a straggler down here trying to get an angle. It's unfortunate, but you got to thirst as much as possible. That was the team that was shooting at me before I jumped off the roof. We're still going to be pushing on. We got good circle side. We got the slow side. Typically the side you want to play on, because if you have open ground on the other side or too much open area, you're going to have you're going to get caught dead when you're crossing. We're trying to move all together, try to keep 4 people alive. Huge in final circle. Johnny's going to get railed by another team here, and that's just how it goes sometimes.
Hey boys, on this building.
I'm going.
One that we were on with the Recon. Careful, he's got snipes.
Okay, we're finally making our last final approach coming over. Johnny lost his gulag, so we either have to buy him in, make the big play, or we're going to be playing man down. Sherm's going to make the big play, take Big Bertha over there, get a nice little res going, and we'll be back up with 4 people. Alright, this is it. This is it. Time's the time. Second and final circle's coming in, and we're initiating the plan. The plan here is going to be to play this roof side, and it's going to be a little scummy. It's a little scummy of a play, but when you're playing for dubs, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. A couple guys down here trying to catch us in the rotation. Unfortunately, gonna get knocked. Cluster strike coming in. I'm gonna live through it, which is very crucial. Got this res going. Awesome. We got 15 people left, 5 teams. The play is to play this roof the whole time and go into a gas fight. Gas fight is going to be, it's kind of a weird play because it can be hit or miss, but I know how this roof plays out, and there's only like one way onto this roof. So if we take control of this roof now, we can literally just play the top of the roof the whole time with numbers advantage and play until the gas closes all the way. Once I finish this guy at the airport, there's literally only 3 people left, 2 teams. I'm going to grab this syringe, which is very crucial to the gas fight, because if you burn your gas mask with somebody else, you guys could potentially have a 50-50. But if you have a syringe, you can get full health. So very good to have that play. Sherman knocks one, but he gets knocked. Gonna toss down a couple C4s, get that finish on that. And now we're down to
2v2, but it's a 1v1v1.
yeah, it's a 2v2, what a 1v1. So doesn't really make sense, but we just played this roof. We have control, and it's a wrap. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you guys can learn something from these tactics. I know it's a little more slow paced, but a win's a win. You know what you gotta do, baby. GG.